How to earn in Studypool step-by-step guide. Follow the instructions. First, go to studypool.com and click on the sign up button. You can register using your email or just connect with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From the top menu, click on the Sell Documents option. This is where you can upload your study materials. On the Sell Docs page, you'll see a section labeled Upload More Files. Click on it or drag your PDF, Word, or PowerPoint file into the upload box. Make sure your notes are neat, clear, and useful to students. Once you upload your document, it will be reviewed by the Studypool team. If approved, your document goes live. And here's the best part. You can earn up to $10 every time a student views or downloads your doc. That means your old class notes can generate passive income for months or even years. But to make sure your document gets accepted and earns well, you must follow some important rules. Your notes must be original, not copied from other websites or textbooks. Make sure the formatting is clean, the content is understandable, and it's relevant to a specific subject or course. Avoid blurry images or messy handwriting. Clarity is key. On the same page, you can even see examples of top earners. These users have uploaded many high-quality study documents and are now earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars. You'll see their total downloads and earnings, which can be very motivating. Once you start earning, withdrawing your money is easy. Just go to your account settings and click on Billing and select the payout method. Studypool supports PayPal and sometimes other options depending on your region. You can request a withdrawal once you reach the minimum balance, and the payment usually arrives within a few days. Upload your notes today and start earning with Studypool. Thanks for watching.